In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a swing trading stock screener. We'll walk through how to access the screener, dial in your market and liquidity rules, and add a few core technical filters that make sense for swing traders. The goal is a clean, focused list of tradable stocks with enough movement to matter, without getting bogged down in noise. First, let's open the screener. You can get there from anywhere by going to the Products menu at the top, choosing Screeners, and then selecting Stocks. If you're already on a chart, you can open the Screener tab at the bottom of the chart and you'll land in the same place. Use whichever route is quickest for you. Both open the Stock Screener panel where we'll set everything up. Next, set your market and basic liquidity. Choose the market you want to trade, such as US stocks, so your results are relevant to your broker, your hours, and your news flow. Now add a liquidity filter by using dollar volume, which is typically volume multiplied by price. Setting volume price greater than around 100 million helps you avoid thinly traded names that can have wide spreads and slippage. This single filter goes a long way toward cleaner execution. While you're here, add a minimum price, like price greater than $10, to filter out penny stocks. You can raise this threshold if you prefer larger, more established names, or lower it if you're hunting for mid-cap momentum. Just remember that stricter filters will reduce your list. With the foundation set, apply your swing trading technical filters. Start with momentum and volatility. For RSI, you can target different conditions based on your strategy. An RSI between 40 and 60 often highlights stocks in a range or early basing phase, while readings above 70 or below 30 point to potential extremes in strength or weakness. Pick one approach that fits your plan and timeframe. Add a MACD condition such as the MACD line crossing above the signal line to surface candidates with fresh bullish momentum. This is a classic trigger for swing entries. Finally, include a volatility element, like a minimum % change over the last session, to ensure the names are actually moving. Too little movement can lead to dead money. Too much can make risk hard to manage, so aim for a balanced threshold. That's it. You've accessed the screener, locked in market and liquidity, and layered on RSI, MACD, and volatility filters tailored to swing trading. Run the scan, review the matches, and you're ready to start your chart-by-chart analysis.